Tokyo Olympics highlights: Neeraj Chopra wins javelin gold. India registers its best ever medal haul at Olympics. Tokyo Olympics. Neeraj Chopra became the first Indian to win an Olympic gold in athletics with a stunning performance in the javelin throw final. Neeraj Chopra became the first Indian to win an Olympic gold in athletics with a stunning performance in the javelin throw final. Neeraj took the gold with a best attempt of 87.58 m to demolish the rest of the field and become India's second individual gold medalist. With a gold, 2 silver, 4 bronze at the Tokyo Games, India saw its largest Olympic medal haul ever, bettering the tally of 6 from London 2012. Earlier, wrestler Bazran Punia defeated Kazakhstan's Daulat Niazbekov in men's 65 kg freestyle to win the bronze medal. Bazran was leading 2-0 after the first period. He added 6 more points in the final 3 minutes to win the match comfortably. The Indian wrestler had lost to Haji Aliyev in the semi-final bout to miss out on a chance to compete for the gold medal at the ongoing Tokyo Olympics. PM Modi, Sachin Tendulkar congratulate Neeraj. Congratulations pour in for Neeraj Chopra. Indian PM Narendra Modi and legendary cricketer Sachin Tendulkar congratulated India's gold medal-winning athlete Neeraj Chopra for his stunning performance. What a day for the Indians! 7th August 2021. India wins 7 medals in Tokyo. Record-breaking performance in Tokyo. Neeraj Chopra's gold along with 2 silver and 4 bronze medals. The Tokyo Olympics medal haul is India's largest at any games, bettering tally of 6 in London 2012. What a breathtaking final few days for the India contingent. Men's javelin throw final. Neeraj Chopra wins gold. India's Neeraj Chopra throws 84.24 m in his 6th and final attempt in the men's javelin throw final. With this, he becomes India's first ever track and field athlete to win a gold medal at the Olympics. No thrower could surpass the 87 mark as Neeraj registered the 2 best throws. First, 87.03 m. Second, 87.58 m. Third, 76.79 m. Fourth, foul. Fifth, foul men's javelin throw final. Neeraj Chopra's 5th attempt. India's Neeraj Chopra has a foul throw again in his 5th attempt in the men's javelin throw final. First, 87.03 m. Second, 87.58 m. Third, 76.79 m. Fourth, foul. 7th August 2021. Men's javelin throw final. Neeraj Chopra's 4th attempt. India's Neeraj Chopra has a foul throw in his 4th attempt in the men's javelin throw final. First, 87.03 m. Second, 87.58 m. Third, 76.79 m. Men's javelin throw final. All eyes on Neeraj Chopra. India's Neeraj Chopra will be aiming to maintain his good form as we get ready for the all-important men's javelin throw final in a few minutes from now. Neeraj Chopra topped the qualification round with a first round javelin throw of 86.65 m. 7th August 2021. Wrestling. Daulat Niazbekov vs Bazran Punia bronze medal match. Men's freestyle 65 kg final. Bazran Punia wins bronze. India's Bazran Punia wins 8-0 against Daulat Niazbekov of Kazakhstan in the men's freestyle 65 kg wrestling bronze medal match. Punia's win helps India secure their 6th medal of Tokyo 2020 and their 2nd in wrestling. Incredible domination from India's wrestler.